Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be talking about the products I bought from Sephora. Yes, so I just came back from there and I am going to show you what all I have got, and it was a $500 bill. Yes, but it's going to be an amazing video. Now, I have bought products from MAC as well, but those products I'm going to show you later. This is a Sephora haul video that I'm going to show you today. Also, it's a gloomy day, so the sun is coming and going, and I have no makeup on my face. I'm just sitting raw over here because I want to complete 2 videos in a day. So this is only about Sephora haul reveal, and in the next video I'm going to do a look with my Charlotte Tilbury products because I love those products, the products that I've bought today. So I'm going to do that video. तो इस वीडियो को आप बिना मेकअप के देखो, but इसमें मेकअप देखो. Yes, funny? No? Anyway, let's get the video started now. So first of all, I wanted to buy all of the Charlotte Tilbury products. So I bought this Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Now, why I bought this foundation? Because this is better for dry skin. The other foundation, that's Charlotte Tilbury's Flawless Filter Foundation, I guess. That is little matte for my skin, and my skin is not able to take that until and unless I am in very summery season, if I'm traveling or if I'm sweating a lot. Other than that, for winters, I feel this will work. We are going to test this out, baby, and we are going to see. Okay, so next product is again, I bought this Charlotte Tilbury. What is this? I mean, oh my god, I'm forgetting what all I have got. This says pink, but what is it? Oh, it's a lipstick. It's a Charlotte Tilbury's lipstick that I bought, and this is in shade pink, and I love this one, so I wanted to try this one. And the next product is really something that is going to give you butterflies because everybody is talking about it, and that is Charlotte Tilbury's lip and cheek tint. So this is a new launch product, and I bought this in color Paradise Pink Glow. Oh my god, I'm falling for it. I think I want to do a look today with this only, and I'm going to step out somewhere. So I think I'm going to do a look with this today. This is a beautiful packaging, and I wish the product should work like that. Look at this beauty. Wow. I mean, I saw a color in Pillow Talk as well in the same lip and cheek tint, and it was a beautiful color. It was like your nudish color with a hint of pink in it. I love that color, but right now I'm on a vacation, and you guys know I love pink blushes, so I picked this one. But maybe in near future, if I like this one, I might buy the other shade as well. Somebody who is a fan of nude blushes, they can definitely opt for the Pillow Talk color, okay? But this is amazing, okay? So going ahead with next one, I definitely wanted to buy this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, and I really wanted to buy this one. I don't know if it's capturing it nicely or not. Oh my god, the sun is so harsh in Canada. I don't know. So yeah, I'm literally burning. But I wanted to try this one, so I got this one, okay? Or hamesha ki tarah, I wanted to buy a beauty blender. So pink beauty blender is back in the house. उसके बाद मैंने Charlotte Tilbury का Airbrush Brightening Flawless Finish Compact लिया, क्योंकि my Pabi got this in as a sampler in her makeup. So I wanted to get this one because she liked it, and I took a swatch of it yesterday and it was like butter. It was actually like butter. So I wanted to try this, and this looks like this, and it's actually white in shade. Can you see? So I'm gonna try this one and see what it actually looks like on my face. And I already have the Charlotte Tilbury compact. You guys know how much I love that one. So let's just try this and see if it works on my face or not, okay? Huda Beauty blush filter in liquid blush, and this is in shade Watermelon Pop, okay? So I'm gonna show this to you. I tried all the shades from this range. I tried actually everything, but I ended up getting this one because the pink was too pinky. The peach was only peach. I wanted something to be a hint of pink and peach. So I got this one, and the packaging is so cute. It's like a plastic bottle which looks sturdy, and the shade is like this. So it is a beautiful packaging, and let's see how it performs on my skin. I blended it on my hand and it was working well, like it was blending nicely, giving a hint of pink and peach tint on my hand, and it looks little dewy as well. I think it has some sparkles. I'm still gonna try it again and will show it to you how it looks on my face, but this one on my hand looks amazing. Okay, now next is Rare Beauty. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see me or not because the sun is so harsh. I can't even really see my screen, like how it is performing. So I got this in shade Front, and this one looks like this. Comment down below. I'm here for good 5, 6, 7 days more. What product you would like to see? I'm gonna buy that and I will show you. This is the highlighter. By the way, I wanted to buy their cream blush and their colored highlighter, but it was out of stock, so I could not buy it. I will again go to some other branch, and if I'll be able to get my hands on it, I'll definitely buy it. But I tried it in store with a tester and it was dreamy. Yes, so I'll definitely buy it, but this looked amazing to me. I have only tried it in testers, but this time I wanted to buy this one, and it actually looks like Becca Champagne Pop, but I'll still try it on my face and will give you the review of this. Okay, Milk Cooling Jelly Tint. I've heard a lot about this, and then again I wanted to buy this. This is in shade Splash. By the way, this was the only shade left in the store, so I wanted to buy this and try this. It looks so cute. The purple packaging is amazing, and this again comes with a protector kind of thing on the top, and it is like this. Oh my god, it's dripping. It dripped. Well, I hope this works. This is like a watermelon color. Like I told you guys, I want to get my hands on a liquid bronzer this time, which is easy to travel with. And I finally bought Saie's bronzer, and I tried all the shades in this, and finally I got my hands on Swim shade. Now, there were many shades in this. Some were very light, and there was one cool brown as well. I don't remember the name, but I finally got this Swim shade because this one I feel is amazing for medium skin tones. It's not that dark, it's not that light, and not a cool toned as well. So I love the Swim shade, and I got this finally, and I think this is gonna go a long way because this is something that blends nicely, and I got good quantity in here as well. Petricta's makeup setting spray. I have been seeing so many videos about this spray, and I could not get my hands on this, but finally after I saw everyone talked about it, so this is a late review, but I still wanted to try it, so I got this one because generally I don't feel the need of such setting sprays, but now I'm traveling, so I'll definitely try this one and will tell you how this one performs. Maybe I'll go to a pool and will try it because everybody was trying it that way, so maybe I'll go to a pool and try this one. But this one, I have heard a lot of things about this one, and finally I got this in my hand, so I'm definitely gonna try this one and wait for the review. This is something that everybody is talking about, and it is amazing. Okay, for the MAC thing, I'm not gonna reveal anything today, okay? I am tired now. So for MAC thing, you guys will have to come back and see what I have bought from MAC. And I have also got just skincare things from Lush Cosmetics. Now I love the ideology of Lush. They are not on social media, and I love the kind of message they give to the society, to the environment, that they are very clean products and everything is amazing at the store as well. And last time I bought their moisturizing soap bars or something like that, but this time I got two more things from them, like a, no, I should not tell, okay? So but I love Lush. I just love their ideology about their products, about the lookout they have for the environment. So I'm really happy that I could put my hands on Lush Cosmetics products. And yeah, that was it for the day. Now I'm gonna sit down and we'll do the Charlotte Tilbury makeup look, probably in the same clothes if I'm going out. So I'll make that video for you guys, so wait for that video because that is going to be a super amazing video for all of you. So thank you so much for watching this video, and yes, don't forget to comment down below what other products you want me to put my hands on, because I am here and there are so many things that are not available in India. They come literally after years after launching. So I'm here. If I will be able to put my hands on those products, I will definitely do the review for you, okay? On this note, this is Nehadevgan saying bye-bye.